It's so easy to want to just cave in and say, I give up. I've said that many times. But there was always that one hand, that one still small voice in the back of my mind and to my side that said, don't give up. Keep fighting. That's what this song says this morning. I'm not giving up. Bless you. I'm not giving up. No, I'm not turning round. By the grace of God, I'll wear a shining crown someday, and I'll keep holding on to that nail-scarred hand. Oh, I'm not giving up. No, I'll keep holding on. I've been walking through this valley, through this vale of tears. At times I even questioned if my Lord was near. And at times that old tempter says, why not turn around? You can't get any farther, oh, 'cause you're just a losing ground. Oh, but I'm not giving up, no. Oh, I'm not turning round. Oh, by the grace of God, I'll wear a shining crown someday, and I'll keep holding on to that nail-scarred hand. Oh, I'm not giving up, no, I'll keep going on. How about you this morning? Would you mind to tell me there's been something bothering me? Why is it that that old devil just won't let God's children be? You see, he has purposed and determined to get right in the way and turn us from the way of life and lead our souls astray. Oh, but I'm not giving up. No, I'm not turning round. For by the grace of God, I'll wear a shining crown someday, and I'll keep holding on to that nail-scarred hand. Oh, I'm not giving up. No, I'll keep going on. I'm not giving up. Turning round. Oh, by the grace of God, I'll wear a shining crown someday, and I'll keep holding on to his nail-scarred hand. Oh, I'm not giving up. No, I'll keep going on. Yes. Oh, by the grace of God, I'll wear a shining crown someday, and I'll keep holding on to his nail-scarred hand. Oh, I'm not giving up. No, I'll keep going on.
Lord, amen. Can't give up.